I'm Christine Beaton. I'm an assistant researcher in George Chandy's lab in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics of the University of California at Irvine. And what I'm going to show you in the next few days is how to induce and monitor chronic relapsing EAE, which stands for experimental autoimmune encephalomyelitis, in DA rats. This is an animal model for multiple sclerosis, or should I say one of the animal models for multiple sclerosis. And it is characterized by an ascending flaccid paralysis in those animals and histological characteristics that resemble the human disease. So this is going to take several days. So the first day I'm going to show you how to prepare the encephalogenic emulsion with naive rat spinal cord homogenate in complete Freund adjuvant. The second day I'm going to show you how to immunize the rats to induce EAE. And then we're going to wait between 7 and 15 days to see the first clinical signs in those animals, at which point I'm going to show you the different stages of progression of EAE in different animals. So I'm first going to show you all the reagents and material that are needed to prepare the emulsion. So what I'm using is complete Freund adjuvant, H37RA, but this, although it already has Mycobacterium tuberculosis, I'm going to supplement it to 4 milligrams per ml with more desiccated Mycobacterium tuberculosis H37RA. And to prepare this desiccated bacteria, I need to put it in a mortar